How to send PDF file in Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can send a PDF file on Facebook Messenger, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now normally if you just go ahead and then open the Messenger application and then you just try to send a specific message to someone, maybe that you're trying to send a PDF file, you will not be able to send them a PDF file just like that, because as you can see, you do not have any sorts of option. So how do you send a PDF file on Messenger? Well, it is actually possible, but you need this application called Google Docs. It is available on your app store, so make sure to download Google Docs app and then open it up and give it the permission, and it will show you all of the PDF files that you've uploaded to Google Docs or from your device as well. Tap the three dots next to that specific PDF file here, tap on the option called send a copy. Once you tap on send a copy, just choose a format, which in this case could be a PDF format. Tap the OK button here. It is going to prepare a PDF, and now you can just select the Messenger app over here, and now you can simply select a recipient to whom you want to send this PDF file, and then just hit the send button. As you can see, once you've hit the send button, now if I go ahead and then open up my Messenger app, you'll be able to notice that I have successfully sent a PDF document to this specific person. So this way I can go ahead and then send PDF in Facebook Messenger. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.